Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product in the shop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And you can choose if you want to shop by category, if you want to browse among the women or men section. There are a beauty section, so just click on the one that you're most interested in. So I will just go for like holiday table decor within the home and lifestyle section. And as you can see, here will be all the featured products, including like forks, knives, and different types of plates, and also glasses. So if you find what you want, you can just click on that, and yes, you can see the price, and then you can read a little description of the product, and then you can also find some information on the designer or the seller. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.